Hello, Gonzalo. Good to see you.
Thank you, Vito.
Great to be here at Mobile World Congress in the IOWN Global Forum booth. Looks like there's a lot of things going on here. It's quite a buzz.
Yeah, thank you, Vito. Indeed, I mean, the Mobile World Congress is a great place to be. I mean, the energy is fantastic, it's full of people. We're getting so much interest in the booth, much more than last year, so we can see every year growing. This is the third year in a row where we are having presence in the Mobile World Congress. We have many sessions, the booth, events, like yesterday, for example, we were signing an MOU to collaborate with ETSI, the standardization organization. That was great. So really excited to be here.
Well, I noticed that now we're becoming much more aggressive in collaborating with other associations. And why is that?
We wanted to basically be very precise about what is the IOWN Global Forum role in the whole ecosystem. And as you said, in the Mobile World Congress, you can see many organizations, many companies. So where do we fit there? We are basically building the communication infrastructure for the future. We are using technologies that they are standardized or developed, industry-recognized centers of excellence and centers of competence. And then we build blueprints, implementation practices or integration practices, deployment models, so that we can take that and basically make it scalable. And the end result, of course, is to have a commercial offering of that technology, which is the APN and all the ancillary technologies we are also working on in the forum.
So this sounds then more like, of course it is, it's about the foundational infrastructure that you can build upon regardless of which industry. So it meets the needs of many industries because we're building the infrastructure of the future.
You hit the nail on the head because basically the drivers are different in different markets. And that's exactly why our approach working with different markets, diverse membership, different use cases is so exciting. AI, for example, is clearly driving the usage of optical technologies, and IOWN Global Forum basically blueprints in that market. Because some of the use cases, they are about disaggregating the functionality, while others are about centralizing. Like, we want to do remote media production, so you want to centralize everything to be more efficient. In the construction site use case we have, for example, you want to remove human beings from this dangerous environment. Exactly, but this, again, all about disaggregating where the work happens and where the controller is. So, again, very different properties that we are leveraging in the different markets and use cases.
So the value propositions can vary, but the underlying technologies and infrastructures that we're providing as a global consortium of over 180 now?
We are more than 180 members now.
Amazing.
Absolutely, and still growing and going strong.
Still growing, plus connecting to the other associations.
Yes.
So this is exciting. I know infrastructure is not the easiest thing for people to buy into, but without it, the future of AI is really going to be bottlenecks. So it's great to see 180 companies focused on it, and the enthusiasm that you have and the team has for this is great.
Well, I mean, I think, coming to the Mobile World Congress is a good chance for us to interact with people. There's many people coming to the booth and also getting ideas of how we can best support the community. So I think next is just to go for commercial deployments. In particular, we have seen RFPs, RFIs already mentioning IOWN Global Forum in certain markets, like could be Japan or Taiwan. We want to see that in other markets where we are present, like Europe and North America. So if you ask me for, what would be next for us to call it a success, I would go for that. Like early commercial deployments and offerings in different markets.
Right. Well, that's great because I think we all believe in this, our companies believe in this, and I think when people realize the value it can bring, and like we've shown in some of the use cases, it's going to just really take off for us. So,
absolutely.
Listen, again, thank you so much for your enthusiasm and your commitment. It's great to see you here.
Thanks for having me, Vito.
No problem.
Pleasure, as usual. Thank you.
Thank you.